So we've got a really robust programme for active wellbeing here at Cardiff and Vale College. So we have an overarching strategic strategy that myself and our other departments, our HR, our learner services, our quality and our sports departments feed into. That allows us then to have a really kind of robust and varied programme of activities.
With the active wellbeing programme, I kind of oversee the active wellbeing officers. So in terms of how the role looks, we basically sit down together, created the active wellbeing programme, and then Hugh and Ellen and the other active wellbeing officer, they sort of deliver all the programme around the city centre campus, Leckwith, ICAT and Barry. So all our campuses are having some sort of active wellbeing provision, and the active wellbeing officers as such deliver these programmes online and face-to-face.
So our active wellbeing strategy was designed, we've worked with colleagues from Welsh Government, colleagues from Coleg Caerdydd, and what we did, we co-produced that strategy. So we didn't do that in isolation. We worked with colleagues from HR, from quality, from sport, from learner services, our executive team. All of us fed into that, and we looked at what model would best suit us. That allows us then to have that kind of strategic buy-in, but all the operational buy-in as well.
So one thing that's changed slightly, whereas we have our academies and our elite level, we've had a huge push on getting all students active as best as we can. So obviously the introduction of the active wellbeing programme. So we deliver a multi-skill programme in the city centre, where we deliver a wide range of different sports. We can book into the dome, and we have set lessons as well for these. An example of ESOL, ILS, junior apprentices, various different groups. We can come in the dome or come in the gym and have different sessions. Also virtually as well, we have different sets. So the active wellbeing officers would deliver various different topics from nutrition, sleep, and they throw our two main pillars tend to be sleep and nutrition. And then obviously the active side of things, then they do various different sports. And that's one thing that's worked very well this year.
We feel that active wellbeing is really important for our staff and our learners. We think it's fundamental that we look at people holistically, so not just delivering them qualifications, but also looking after their wellbeing, their mental health and wellbeing, and see active wellbeing, that space between sedentary behaviour and elite sport, and making sure that's accessible for everyone. And we believe that brings lots of benefits in terms of just, I guess, public health, but also morale of staff, the ability to feel connected as a family, and also the health benefits that brings with that as well.
One of the main things we've seen as a team, we've kind of seen is sort of given students drive they may have not had previously before. Various examples is some junior apprentices we had previously and ESOL, they're actually looking to go down to the fitness route, which at first we never thought that would have happened. So the beauty of this programme is inspired others to sort of actually potentially take the more active route they wouldn't have previously had, and that's basically down to that extra provision they've been given. It's sort of giving them the drive and that motivation to sort of go down different aspects post-college. We're looking forward to seeing where the active wellbeing programme goes over the next year or so, seeing our learners go from strength to strength, moving more and eating well.